Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing to this new release Huawei Honor 9X. This phone is being released in July and we're gonna have a look in the box. We're gonna see the phone and we're gonna see a few specifications. So this is the box and the box seems to be in Chinese. It's all in Chinese. I barely can see only the 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. So we're just gonna have a look inside and we're gonna see more. So this is the first Huawei phone for me. I didn't have any Huawei till this moment. So first in the box, wow, the phone is a bit heavy, I can say that. Okay, so we got the phone and also they provide a screen protector already, which is really nice. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, let's put the screen protector away. And this is the phone. It's coming in this nice blue color and I have to say it's a really big phone. All right, let's put it away. And now we got some barcodes right here. And what else we got in the box? Let's have a look. This small package, what's hiding? So we got a silicone case. Okay, everybody, put this silicone case on the package right now. It's very flexible, if you can see at this moment. Okay, what else? We got some paper. If you know to read in Chinese, you're more than welcome. And we should got that SIM pin right here. Okay, also we got the USB and we got the charger, of course. So now let's focus on the phone and let's just have a look. Wow, let's have a look. Oh my god, yeah. So this phone, it's coming in a weight of 206 grams, so it's a bit heavy. Oh, look at this gradient blue color. Wow, it's looking so nice. Let's peel this off. Let's see if we can. Yeah, one is done and the other one. Yeah, so now you can see these shapes in the blue. Wow, is looking really nice. Okay, and what else? If you can see, it's not that thick. It's measure 8.8 millimeter in thickness. So we got a pop-up camera right here on the top, and we got the SIM card right here also on the top, and we got the volume button on the right side, and we got the fingerprint not on the back or on the front, it's right here on the edge. So also this is the power button. Okay, we're gonna put this phone on, and on the button we got that speaker grill, and we got the USB Type-C port, and we got the jack audio, which is perfect. Nothing on the left side. Okay, so we're just gonna have a look. Oh, the phone just started now. Swipe up to unlock. Okay, and I can say that this screen protector is additional because on the phone it's already applied another one from the factory, which is really nice. Okay, set up cloud. No, I care, I don't want to. Swipe it up. No, it's not like on Samsung, so it just only left and right. We got some Chinese apps right here. We got tools, not too much. We got an LTPS IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and the size it's 6.59 inch, which is a huge screen for you guys. And also it's coming with an 84.7 screen to body ratio, and we got a full HD resolution. Also it's coming with 391 ppi density. Okay, the OS it's an Android 9, and of course they put the MUI 9.1 on the top of that Android 9 Android Pie, and it's coming with the chipset. Let's have a look. System, about the phone. Okay, MUI Honor 9X model HLK, I don't need that. Android 9. CPU, it's a high silicon Kirin 810, and we got 4 GB of RAM and 64 storage. You can see the resolution, and the security patch has been 1st of August 2019, which is really nice. Also the GPU, it's a Mali G52. So talking about the memory, on the top you can see we got that SIM tray, and we're just gonna have a look. Okay, let's have a look on this SIM tray. Okay, let's take it off. Alright, so we got a nano SIM and a micro SD, and probably you can put another nano SIM on this micro SD port right here. So it's a dual SIM. Also support the micro SD card up to 512 GB, which you can expand your memory. That's why I've been choosing 64 GB of internal memory, because I can expand with that micro SD up to 512 GB. Okay, moving on the camera, and let's have a look on the back first. So we got a really nice dual camera. It's not a triple camera, this is just a flashlight. So we got a primary camera of 48 megapixel f1.8, and it's a wide camera. And we got only a 2 megapixel camera, it's a depth sensor. And like I said, we got the LED flash right here. And let's move on the front. Of course, you don't see any notch at all. So the camera, it's switch camera modes next later on. Okay, that's it. And we got AI, automatically optimize your camera settings based on what you're shooting, which is really good. So we got a motorized pop-up camera, which is hiding a 16 megapixel sensor. And yeah, that's it. Look at this. It's looking really beautiful. Let's have a look if it's coming with any flashlight. No, it's not like on Xiaomi Mi 9T. And if you want, we're gonna compare this phone with Xiaomi Mi 9T, of course. So moving on the settings, what we can see, we got you can set the camera on 48 megapixel location tag, or you can add watermark. What else we got? Nothing? Yeah, nothing. Okay, moving on the video and going on the settings again. Let's see what we can record. So we can record only on full HD at 30 frames per second, or if you want full HD, you can record also on 60 frames per second. So we don't have 4K at this moment. And because this phone is coming with this fingerprint, also power button integrated on this edge right here, so it's not on the rear back or on the front, we just gonna register that, and we're gonna have a try to see how fast it can be. So let's see where we can go on security and fingerprint ID. Yes, set the lock screen, change and lock method pattern. Let's do like usual, simple one. Done. Okay, unlock device. Place your fingerprint on the edge. Okay, try to move on different sides to make a map of my finger. Okay, and we're gonna have a look and see how fast it can be. Okay, come on. Okay, that's it. Okay, access, unlock when screen is off. Press button, rest finger, cancel, vibrate when fingerprint is not recognized. Okay, so it's turned off on this moment. Let's have a try. Okay, nice. Is it quick? Yeah, it's quick. It's really quick. Yeah, not too bad. If you don't want to put your fingerprint on the back, this can be more easy for you. Yeah, nice, really nice. So we got a 4000 milliampere battery on this phone, and it can be also charged up to 10 watts, which is gonna take probably more than 2 hours to charge this phone with this huge battery. And more battery settings, power intensive apps, I don't need that. And let's go quick to the menu. We got wireless and networks, device connectivity, home screen and wallpaper, so you can set up everything. Display, automatic, yeah, it's usually Huawei menu. Sound, notification, apps, battery, storage. Like I said, we got only 64 gigabytes on this moment, and the system it's taking more than 9 gigabytes from the memory. Digital balance, okay, agree. And this is showing you how much time you've been spending on the phone and on what apps. What else? We got fingerprints and privacy, and you got emergency, find my phone location, fingerprint, lock screen, block fake mobile tower, safe app lock. And we got more settings right here. Okay, moving on, let's have a look. Accounts, Google and system, about the phone, software, so you can check always for the software updates. And also you can change your English into, let's see, it support multi-language. Yes, support multi-language, of course, which is another good thing for this Huawei Honor 9X. And before to end this video, we're just gonna go again quick on the camera, and we're just gonna take a few photo sample so you can make an opinion how this phone can make a picture. So let's just simple tap it, and it's quite quick. And the quality, I can see it's really good. A bit blurry on the edge right here, but the quality, wow, looks amazing. Yeah, so we've been shooting with that 48 megapixel camera. Let's have a look. Yeah, 48 megapixel, probably that's why. And we got all this AI, you can turn it off or on. And we got the flashlight right here on automatic, and you can choose probably from more settings. See, that's it. We got also on the menu of the camera, we got portrait mode, we got the night mode, and aperture, blur the background to empathize subject within 2 meters. All right, so we are not on 2 meters right now. Really nice. Let's move on. More, we got the pro mode, we got the slow motion, we got the panorama, light painting, we got the HDR. Okay, that's it. On more, time lapse, moving picture, and stickers. Stickers note. All right, I'm here. Oh, okay, so while you're doing the picture, if you can see, you can probably put a message, I'm here, or if it's sunny, and the date and the year. Okay, that's it with our Huawei Honor 9X. Now, I like the phone, except the fact that it's heavy, but probably from 6.59 inch, which is huge. Yeah, I can understand that. I like the color, and I like also the pop-up camera. Well, I don't like it because it's not coming with that flashlight. And before to not forget, we're gonna go quick on that K menu, if you can see right here. So we got WLAN, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight, sound, auto rotate, Huawei share, airplane, mobile data, location. That's it. Okay, now we got hotspot, ultra power saver, navigation dock, wireless protection, do not disturb, and eye comfort. And I don't see here, and I don't know why I don't see it, NFC. And I'm gonna type on the screen while you're watching this phone if this phone support NFC or not. So yeah, this was our unboxing, my unboxing for this new Honor 9X, a really nice phone with a really nice color. And thank you for watching. We're gonna do more comparison between this one and probably Mi 9T, and we're gonna save some speed tests between these two phones and much more. So thank you again for watching, and see you again on the next video.